Hey, what's up? Walk, moonwalk. Walk like Egyptian. Hello, Colleen. Hello, Colleen. Wala magsisi. Lagi nakalabas ang ngipin. Maganda kasi ngipin mo eh. Kaya nakalabas yan eh. Sino ka mukha mo? Si mama mo, si papa mo?
How about you?
Beautiful.
Mama or Papa?
What about you? Oh, yeah, you look papa. Same as your papa's face, oh. Yes. See? How are you, both of you? How old are you? How old are you, Maxine? 4 years old pa na ba siya? 4 pa na ba siya? What about you, Colleen? How old are you? 3 years old, Colleen. What about you, Daddy? How old are you?
By generation. Next.
Ikaw, hey, hi. Hi, babe. How are you, babe? How are you, baby? Baby, baby. Kasi Jay, kaya ko si Teo pala to. Kaya maayos ng buhok mo, gulo-gulo ng buhok mo ka na. Buti may dala si...
Inom.
Okay, how are you guys?
Ayaw niya.
How are you, Aya? Aya? Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi, Aya, hi. Sino to? Si... Yan.
Si Marian.
What about you?
Uy, Marian, namarap ko ba?
How is it your face?
Nahihiya.
Saan mo nakuha yung face mo? Kay mama mo, kay papa mo?
Siyempre.
Okay? Kay mama? Lahat na lang kay mama. Eh, ikaw, what about... Ito, kilala ko to.
Oo.
Si Anduling. Anduling.
Andilit yan.
Ayan. Ano pangalan niya?
Drunic.
Ha?
Drunic.
Si Drunic. How old are you, Drunic?
Ilan taon ka na daw?
Do you know him?
He knows. He knows.
Face sound familiar.
He knows me.
Face sound pa.
Si Drunic.
Tito Teddy yan. Ako ba? Lolo yan.
What about you? What's your name?
I wash my name.
Oh, you wash your name? How is it? How do you wash your name?
Dito mga gangster, dito mga luko-luko.
So you mean to say you know how to wash your name?
I wash my name. I got my...
Do you know where do you buy?
Ano ba yan, Papa?
Change the question.
Hello, baby.
Wait, over here. Okay. How are you guys? We're in ay masyado against the light.
Against the light.
Hey, what about you, bro? Yo, bro, what's up, bro? What's your name again? Sherwin. Sherwin Sakalam. Can you take off your face mask so that we can see your handsome face or whatever?
By the way, sir, how can I help you, sir?
Sorry?
How can I help you, sir?
Oh, no problem. I don't have problem. Don't need to help. Hey, what's up, yo? Hey, guys. Just enjoy life. Have a Kit Kat. Move on. We're enjoying doing this for the sake of our grandmother, for the sake of our loved ones. You know what I'm saying, right? What about you?
Yeah.
Hey, Queen. See something. Andito pa rin yung mga guest tayo dito. Sino to? Si Sheila tsaka si Edsel. Gerson. Hey, what's up? Say hi. Galing ko sa YouTube to ah. Hi, hello mga kids. How are you? What's your name again? Almira. How old are you? You see, you're also beautiful. All of you beautiful. What about you? Marla. How old are you, Marla?
9.
Okay. Well, hey, grandma. Oh, here we have what's your name again? Angel. Hey, yeah, she looks angel face. Seryoso yung mga nandun. Mahirap lapitan, baka may tadya ka to. Yun. Ay, Darrell. How is it? Can you say something about our family here? How is it? How does it feel? Feels good? Say something. Come on. Masaya. And then, anything. What about the feeling? Masaya. And surprising, right? Surprise. Okay, there goes. M, what about you? Say something. Oh, you look like your papa. Your papa. Oh, see. Hey, yo. Hey, JB, how are you? JB and kala ko Andrew, Matthew. See? We're here. We're complete, complete details. Complete family. Complete details. Yeah, complete details. So, what about here? Seryoso to. Parang mahirap lapitan. Mukhang nagkakwentuhan na nagagastos dito. Hey, this is the main thing. This is the best part. Huh? Ano lang, it's just fun doing interview for you.
Sino nga ba yan? Ako sumagot mamaya.
Hindi ako to. Ilalagay ko na sa it's everybody. It's a message for them.
Pakabusog kayo.
Pakabusog daw kayo. Okay. Okay, Ian. Ay, this is Ian. Hey, what's up, yo? Seryoso kayo. Anything else? What can you tell about this? Some kind of gatherings. What about your work? No comment.
Sino ba yan?
Hindi, wala. Ano lang? Interview. Hey, Chris.
Isang bilaang tulog. Isang bilaang tulog.
Di ba pakita ko kay Papa Mute? Marami tayong mga memories, di ba? Uy! Ikaw, kumusta na yung mo? Kumusta? Di mo nakuha yung plate number ng bumangga? Pusang galaka. Binangga yung motor ko, hindi niya nakita niya, hindi niya binabaan.
Hindi nakita ko sa side mirror na mag-high motor niya. Hindi ko na naman makuha kasi nag-overtake na ako. Mapunta na ako.
Hindi, okay lang yun. Hindi ako siya. Hindi, yung van na nasa larapan ko, inatrasan ako, kala niya siguro walang motor. Doon ko pinara kasi bibidyon ko, di ba?
Hindi natumba to. Nagdubal nakatayo, di ba?
Oo, miskid nga sana ilalim eh. Sa huli ko sa labas.
Sa labas. Ano yan?
Lalagay ko sa YouTube mo ba yan? Ha? Sa kanila lahat, makikita nila Rainy, nila Edmond, nila Shellan. Andito kami sa Buddies. Courtesy nyo na to. Sino ba nag-treat na ito? Si Mama nag-treat na ito, si Mama. Si Mama nag-treat.
Si Mama anak?
Nag-treat. Nag-treat sa atin lahat.
Si Mama nag-treat.